Hello student, 5th standard maths. Today's topic is line of symmetry. Line of symmetry. Line of symmetry means what? The fold line is called a line of symmetry. A fold line, you call that line of symmetry. See here one page is there, you fold now, same piece, you want here same piece, you call that line of symmetry. Now also same piece here, now also same piece. Fold the figure, you call that line of symmetry, you call that line of symmetry. Understand? See, how many is there? Same parts are there na? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. All this part of same, you call that line of symmetry. All of you learn in 3rd standard fraction. Yes or no? Fraction. Same as it is. You call that same as it is. Okay. Now, see here. Line of symmetry is where? First one figure, example given you. Star is there. Star is there. Okay, star is there. Now, see. The star is divided in with the many lines. With the many lines. With the many lines. How they divided? See. Same part as it is here. Here as also. Here as also same part. Here as also same part. Now also this one divided for slipping line. Here same, slant line means all those figures, points, take a point and join there, okay? All of you understand? Now, exercise. Draw figures of the following measure and cut them. Now fold along the shown dotted lines. Draw these lines, these are the lines of symmetry. Study the numbers of line and symmetry of each figure. Means what? How many lines symmetry? See here is a square. Here is a square. How many lines they draw? See here. First standing line in a middle point. They draw standing line in a middle point. They draw slipping line in a middle point. Then this dot and this dot join there and you got there this one part and this one part as a same. And see here. Here also this one part and this one part also same here. Understand? All of you understand? A square has a how many lines? This is a 1, this is a 2, this is a 3 and this one is a 4. A square has how many lines? 4 lines. And all this part, see this one part, 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 this one part is a same. All these parts is a same. All of you understand now? Now, rectangle is a here. Rectangle is a here. How many parts is there? See. Here, first one, standing line with the middle point. Standing line with the middle point means how many? See, this is a 6 centimeters. So they take 3 centimeters. They take with the 3 centimeters. If you want to fold a line, make a line, folding line, that time you measure there, and then their 6 is there, their middle point with C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Their middle point is 3. You dot first 3 centimeters one part, 3 centimeters second part. Then 5 centimeter is there. That time 2.5 here, 2.5 is here. If you divided there and draw their line, you divided there and draw their line. Okay. See, rectangle has how many? 1 and 2. Rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. See here. Here is given which figure? Oval. Oval figure here given you. And oval has how many line symmetry? See. Oval means egg. You want their half up part. You want their half up part. That time take a middle point. See, here you got half oval, here you got half oval. Then second with a slipping line. There also same. Here you got half part, here you got half part. And see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 all parts are there, same. All parts are there, same. So, an oval has 2 lines of symmetry. 2 lines of symmetry. Now, circle. Circle is given you. There is a middle point is there. Middle point to रेड्यूस, मिडल पॉइंट टू 1 रेड्यूस, या फिर व्हाट यू से दैट वन all line, this one big one line, what you say? Diameter na? What you say? Diameter. How many diameter in circle? So many diameter in circle, and they do same parts of circle. Means you have one ball, there you fold so many time, and they all shapes are same. See here, 1, 2, 3, all shapes are same. This shape same, this shape same, this shape same. What you call? Circle have so many line symmetry. There is so many diameters na, so many radius, so many diameters. So a circle has many lines of symmetry, many lines of symmetry. Okay. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Draw a line of symmetry for each of these figures that are symmetrical and cross those figures that are not symmetrical. Understand? Draw a line, each figure, these are symmetrical and cross those figures that not symmetrical. Okay, first one given you, first one figure given you, pentagon na? Pentagon has symmetry. You got there 2 same parts here, 2, 3, 4, only 2 same parts. See here, this one is a middle, and you draw here line. You draw here line. You got here both sides same na, so this is a symmetrical, this one is a symmetrical. Now also here this is a octagon. Octagon is 8 sides are there. A hexagon, which figure? hexagon na, hexagon have six lines are there. You got here same part. Now also you got here also same part. Now also you got here as a same part. Same part you got. Now also see, here also you got same part. Here also you got a same part. Means so many part you got here as a same. Understand? So hexagon is a symmetry. Hexagon is a symmetry. Apple, when you cut the apple, there all pieces are same na. When you cut the apple, means you make a half apple. See, you make here half apple. When you cut the apple, you got here half part. So apple also is a symmetry place. Now ring bell is here. They also you got here half part na. Only draw their middle one line, standing line. You got here half part. F. How to make half? F. How do you make? This one part cut. Only standing line here got. This one part cut. Okay, this one part you cut. But both are same? No. See here. This one below part is very long. So that one is not symmetrical. Not a symmetrical. Next one. Envelope. Envelope this you make a cut there na half, not a folded envelope, open envelope. You make a half na. Only standing line, only one folding is you make a half up. Means this one is a symmetry. Tomato. When you cut the tomato first, you cut half. When you cut the tomato, then you cut first half and then you do pieces. Means this also is a in a symmetric figure. Okay. Next one, octagon. Octagon also same of a hexagon. They make a symmetry. So many lines. Now also. They make us so many lines. Symmetries. You got here same part. You got here same part. Next one. Christmas tree is there. That also you make a half up because of this side same as it is, left side, right side same as it is, the growth. It is a growth or same as it is. So that one also is a symmetrical figure. Symmetrical figure. Understand? All of you understand now? Now, question number 3. Draw the line of symmetry for this number. Draw a line symmetry of these numbers. 8 you got here half a part na with the standing line. See, you got here this one and this one part also same. 3 also middle line, make a half. 1 also, 0 also, You got here all symmetry. Same part you got here. All of you understand? Pentagon, hexagon, octagon also folded there. Then rectangle size, then oval, then circle, square, apple, tomato, potato. Also make a half means they is in a symmetry figures. They all these things coming into the symmetry figure. Okay, all of you understand now how to do today's homework. Page number 96 and 97 is your homework. 96 and 97 is your homework. Okay, today this topic is completed. Line of symmetry is completed. Now next video we learn fraction. Fraction also we learn in 4th standard, 3rd standard also. Yes or no? Next video we continue with the fraction topic. Okay. Thank you.